I bought this sweet pergola kit online from the Luxury Pergola, but I don't have an installer. What do I do? Well, you have a few options. Option 1 is do it yourself. Grab a buddy for a day and knock it out. We designed these to be pretty easy to put together. It's kind of like a giant IKEA kit. Option 2 is to hire somebody else to do it. Now, if you have a local contractor or handyman that you've worked with in the past, everybody's got a guy, they shouldn't have any problem installing it. Again, these are simple. It doesn't require a master craftsman to put them up. We do all the hard stuff here. Now, if you don't have a guy, no problem. You can easily find an installer online. Pretty much any decent contractor, handyman, landscape company, framer, deck builder, whatever, can put these together quite easily. Just simply search contractor near me or landscaper near me, and with the magic of the internet, you're gonna see a lot of local contractors right at your fingertips. Now, if that freaks you out, there are a few services that can do all that finding for you. Something like Thumbtack, Angie, Home Advisor, or our favorite, Mr. Handyman. Our recommendation when you're reaching out to a contractor who's maybe never seen this before is to have all your ducks in a row. They're gonna wanna know what you're installing, where you're gonna put it, and how long it should probably take. Now, if I were you, what I'd do is send them our install videos, our manual, and they'll have an idea of how long it'll take, and you can also give them a little guidance as well. If you have questions on any of that, just give us a call. And while you're at it, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.